In this video, we will show you how to add a new member to a group chat in the Messenger app step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Next, in the Chats menu, find the group chat where you want to add a new member and tap on it to open the conversation. Once the group chat is open, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to access the group settings. In the Group Settings menu, scroll down and look for the See Members option and tap on it to view the list of current members. At the top right corner of the screen, tap the Add button. This will bring up a list of all your contacts. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the contact you want to add to the group. Finally, select the person you want to add and confirm by tapping the Add option at the top right corner. The new member will now be added to the group chat. And that's it. You've successfully added a new member to your Messenger group chat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.